Welcome to this tutorial on common issues with Phantom Wallet Import Wallet. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used to store and manage Solana cryptocurrency. Importing a wallet is a crucial step in accessing your funds, but users often encounter issues during this process. First, let's understand the concept of importing a wallet. Importing a wallet in Phantom Wallet refers to the process of adding an existing Solana wallet to the Phantom Wallet application. This is done using a seed phrase or private key. One common issue users face is incorrect seed phrase entry. When importing a wallet, you need to enter your seed phrase correctly. If you enter it incorrectly, the import process will fail. To avoid this, make sure to double-check your seed phrase before entering it. Another issue is incomplete seed phrase entry. Phantom Wallet requires the full seed phrase to import a wallet. If you enter only a part of the seed phrase, the import process will not work. Ensure you have the complete seed phrase before attempting to import your wallet. Users may also encounter issues due to incorrect private key entry. If you are using a private key to import your wallet, ensure it is correct and in the right format. Additionally, some users may experience issues due to wallet corruption. If your wallet is corrupted, you may not be able to import it. In such cases, try restoring your wallet using your seed phrase or seek help from Phantom Wallet support. To avoid common issues when importing a wallet, always make sure to use the correct seed phrase or private key. Double-check your entry to ensure it is accurate and complete. If you encounter any issues, try restarting the import process or seek help from Phantom Wallet support. In conclusion, importing a wallet in Phantom Wallet can be a straightforward process if you follow the correct steps and avoid common pitfalls. By understanding the concepts and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can successfully import your wallet and access your Solana funds. Remember to always prioritize the security of your seed phrase and private key to ensure the safety of your cryptocurrency.